How to remove silent mode on your iPhone. Let's get started. The process is very simple and quick. At the left corner of your iPhone, you will find the volume up and volume down button. Above those buttons, you will find the icon through which you can easily enable or disable silent mode on your iPhone. You just have to use that button to enable or disable silent mode. You just have to push that button frontward and the backward to enable or disable silent mode. Here, I'm gonna disable it. So this is how you can easily remove silent mode on your iPhone. Likewise, next thing you can do is launch your control center. Here you'll find the option of focus. Long press on it, different options will appear. Make sure you have disabled do not disturb mode. Now you can launch your settings. Navigate to the option of sound and haptics. Now you can use this slider and increase the volume for your device. So this way you can easily remove silent mode on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.